Ever wondered how complex medical diagnosis turn into simple codes used by hospitals, insurance companies, and researchers? This process is called medical coding, and it's the language of modern healthcare. When a patient visits a hospital, everything from symptoms and diagnosis to procedures and medication is recorded. Medical coders translate these records into universal alphanumeric codes. Why is this important? Because these codes help in insurance reimbursements, healthcare analytics, medical research, and maintaining accurate patient records. At CliniLaunch Research, we train you to become a certified medical coder. Our expert-led programs, real-time projects, and 100% placement support prepare you for global coding careers. Whether you're from life science, pharmacy, or healthcare, medical coding can be your gateway into the booming healthcare industry. Visit CliniLaunchResearch.in and take your first step into the future of healthcare.